What's going on, guys? It's another day, another repair. Today I'm doing the wheel bearings for this car, because right now this car sounds like a truck with mud tires. So I'm going to do this one, do the other side, and that's really it. So I wait for my impact battery to charge up a little bit. It's almost done. So I can start zipping this stuff off and get to it. Hopefully not rusted or sealed or stuck in there, you know, seized up, whatever. Hopefully it's pop right out. We'll see. And then while I have it apart, I want to inspect the brakes too and see how good they are. I know the rotors feel warped, so I gotta do brakes either way. But I just want to see how much life is left on them in the meantime. So anyway, let's get to it. Okay. So I want to do the wheel axle nut first. Nice and easy. That's how it should be. That. Alright. Just for this, hopefully it holds it. Don't think it will. There's a small zip tie. Okay. Alright. That's done, that's done. Now for the fun part, getting this axle out of here. Give me the new one. It's in a box over there. There you go. this came out. Okay. Okay. Need that wheel. Actually, let me have the big one back again. This one? Yeah, that one real quick. Okay. Well, I can put away. Alright, got all the wheel bearings down on both sides. Going to this car for a test drive. Should be fine though, if anything quiet again. And next thing to do is the gaskets. We'll do for the next video though. Alright, test drive. Let's see how it sounds now. Nice and quiet. Well, that's the end of this video, guys. If you like this video, you know what to do. Like, comment, subscribe, all that good stuff. You're going to find me on Discord, Facebook, Instagram, all that mess. So, thank you for watching the video. If you got any questions, just leave them in the comments below. Again, thank you for watching.